I negotiate aggressively for all of my clients.
The best part about being a realtor is when I get to hear thank you from my clients.
I take immense pride in providing my clients with the service that they deserve.
I believe in the golden rule. I treat all my clients like I would like to be treated.
As a bilingual realtor, I am here to assist my clients achieve the American dream.
No two houses are the same, no two clients are the same, and no two realtors are the same.
I'm dedicated to you.
We wanted to buy a new home, but we needed to sell ours first.
RE/MAX Renaissance sold our home quickly and for the price we wanted.
We were able to move in so much faster than we ever expected.
Our agents pride themselves on being the most professional, best educated, and highest producing realtors. Call on RE/MAX Renaissance when you need results.
Whether you're buying or selling, the road to your next castle begins at homeisyourcastle.com. Call us today at 623-414-4300.